Well, that fish was on that log, and that's not that far off the bank. It was in like 7 foot of water. So I'm gonna key in on structure 15, 20, 25 foot off the bank. Hey, what is that? Somebody left a bait in my junky boat. You know, look. I don't know if y'all can see it. I can't see it with the glare. There you go. Huh. I wonder whose that is. I bet I know whose it is. Betcha. Well, ain't but two people. Well, it could be one of two people. Well, I hadn't caught anything for a while. I had any bites. So I decided to come in just a little bit and get on the tree line, the outside tree line, and I threw around a tree. First I was on the sunny side, then I threw in the front, and then I threw the crankbait in the shade. And I didn't give it 2 full turns and the fish nailed it. I come off at the boat, it was a small fish. But, I wonder. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It was on that tree right there. It was on the shady side. The shady side of that tree. It was a small fish, but it was a fish, but it come off at the boat, so it don't count. So let's focus in on the outside trees, which ain't, I mean, that fish probably won't in 4 foot of water. So that's what we're going to focus on rest of the day. I'm going to look for these outside trees. I'm going to fish all around them, but let's see if it ain't something about that shady side that the fish are interested in today. I'll turn the camera back on for a little bit, see what happens. All right, that was on the sunny side. Get in here, boy. Looks like it's gonna be a dink dig. Dink day. That's a better fish. It's a better fish. It's not a big fish though. Better than what I've caught. Better than what I've caught. Yeah. Fish number 3, guys. It's getting bigger. Not much bigger. Find some more outside trees. New spot. Lots of outside trees to hit all the way down. What I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Biggest one of the day right here. It's still not big. Oh my goodness. The third one might have been a little bit bigger, I don't know. Probably the same size. We'll take it. Take it. We will take it all day. That fish was right off this side, the shadow side of that tree. Not bad. So they're on this stretch, I think. So far, this stretch is holding fish. Not any of the other stretches. I don't know what's going on. I'm not going to ask too many questions. But we're going to keep fishing. Let me set up my other camera here. For TikTok. I got to have a good old TikTok video tonight. At Country Boy Grandpa. KUNTRYBOY. Grandpa. GRANDPA. Country Boy Grandpa. Let's get back to fishing. Boom! Here comes the boom. Get in here. Get in here, boys. Oh, yeah. We just need them to grow up a little bit. Well, these bass bugs, there but two of them, and they're running back and forth all day. They're on the trees, man. They're on the trees. That wasn't so bad of a bad day, y'all. I caught 8, lost one at the boat. Didn't know what I was gonna do here today. Had no idea whatsoever. So I'm happy. I'm ready to get out here again. Probably be back this weekend. As always, I sure appreciate everybody watching. Later.